Okay, so I'm going to show you a video that details how to tune your guitar using the Guitar Tuner app. Now, the main thing to remember when you use any kind of a guitar tuner is to make sure that you're tuning each string to the right letter. If you're tuning to the wrong letter, this is the main reason why people break strings when they're using a guitar tuner. This is Easter, Bunny, Goes, Dancing at Easter. So this is the E string, then the B string, then the G, then the D, then the A, and then the E. Now this is the Guitar Tuner app. When I hit the E string, you can see that it moves up to, if I take it out of manual mode, it will move like this. And it tells you when the string is in tune. This one is slightly out of tune. But what it gives you as well on the headstock here, it shows you which string you're tuning. That's very important. Easter, this one here, sorry. Easter, Bunny, Goes, Dancing at Easter. You have to make sure that you're playing the E string to get the E note, the B string to get the B note. You can see just above the headstock on the app, it shows you the letter that you're tuning to just here. Make sure that that letter is the right one and that you're not trying to tune the E string up to A or something like that, because if you do that, the string will break before you get tuned. On the headstock here, you shouldn't have to turn the keys very far. It's not like you're turning them round and round. Just a little bit of turn one way or another will be enough, okay? And if you feel the string getting really tight, then is the time to stop before you break it. If you need help with any of this, you know, see if mum or dad can help you out. But I will I'll play the video on how to tune it, on how to use the tuner, and I'll put that on the end of this video, okay? Just make sure you're tuning to the right letter.